Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's find the contact you'd like to edit in your contacts and tap on it. Then pick this edit contact option and tap on this kind of, I don't know, profile picture in the circle. And as you can see, your device will give you the opportunity to pick between taking a photo and choosing the photo from the gallery. So take the photo will be a proper option if you've got the person right in front of you and you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, so the previously taken. Of course, you will have to allow your device to enter the gallery, etc. Then find the photo we'd like to use. And as you can see from this step, we can change the position of this highlighted square. We can also resize it. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on OK. As you can see, it will appear in this kind of profile picture circle. So if you're happy, just tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner to save it. And this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see this photo, for example, on the contact list and during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your Xiaomi 12S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.